Driver's side cat. Took it to my mechanic. He said my driver's side cat is bad. More money gotta spend on this baby. And right here, Rock Auto. A lot smaller than what's on there. Plug the O2 sensors. So what's all the symptoms of a bad catalytic converter?
Sometimes you don't have a symptom, and now give you a symptom. Unless it's broken, you might plug the airflow.
Okay. And making the car sluggish?
And that's sluggish, misfiring, no power.
Okay. It's a cat out of the plastic. That's what you'll get if you order it from Rock Auto. Costs $183. Shipping and handling came out to about $204. It's a lot smaller than a stock cat that's on it now. For this car to have 140,000 miles and still had the stock cats, it's not that bad. Screw on that. Get out of there. Some WD-40 on there. It's pretty old. Trying to get the stock cats off. Got that in off. Got the old clamp. If you need to know the clamp size, the clamp is 2.25. So I couldn't find anything online. That's what it looks like. 2.25 clamp. Rock Auto part didn't come with any clamps. It should, but didn't. Could have threw one clamp in there. Got the old one off. See, the old one is slightly off. You see at the top of it. Got that off. Got the old plug still on here. It's the new one. It's on the inside. Right off. So right here you can see the difference from the stock cat to an aftermarket one. Well, it's a bit smaller. It should do the same job. Piping, pretty much same size, same angle. We did have to use some WD-40 on those because it's pretty old. It's been on the car since the car was made, and I'm not sure if it ever been untightened. But see, that's tight. I don't think that's the part number for this. Boom, one down. Got in the shop. This big boy, it's always here. They just need a new motor. Got a Lexus LS IS 250. Said problem with this, won't start. Said they did a tune-up on it, won't start. Changed the fuel pump, won't start. Did some sensors, still won't start. So it's pretty much still trying to doctor this thing to find out its problem. I know that sucks. My bad boy, Cat. You trying to take them off?
No, this is back on.
I'll put them on.
Putting it back on.
So this end goes inside, as you can see. You didn't want to put the new clamp on?
Huh?
The new clamp?
No, I don't think I'm gonna do it. Because that one is welded into the...
Oh, I see it.
Yes, it's not coming off easily.
So, I don't know why they do that.
Huh? I don't want to force it since it's still working. I might use it. Yeah, it's a lot to ask if I get those bolts right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Pipe. Mufflers cut. Perfect fit. Plug that up. Went on, plugging the sensors up. Kept the same sensor since the car wasn't throwing no codes. Hoping that it's still done with the new cat on there. Old clamp up. Better ground to it.
So it sound right?
God damn.
Which one has more flow?
Huh?
See which one has more flow?
Alright, Sean, what feel the same? Man, that did give it a better growl though.
Huh?
That gave it a better growl.
Alright, get to the other side.
That would make me want to get the other side done. YouTube, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep my exhaust straight pipe from the cat's back because I'm not really digging how the exhaust sound now. At first it was perfect, but I guess with the new catalytic converter, free flowing air is making it a little louder and it's a bit raspy to it. Except on the gas 10%, and you can hear it loud, and I don't want to get pulled over. So I don't know, it's a thought. I might switch back, I might not right away, but I'm not gonna leave.